Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Google account on laptop or PC. The first thing you'll need to do is hover over your profile pic and you're going to tap on it. Then you're going to select Manage your Google account. Once you have selected Manage your Google account, you're going to go over to the left hand corner and you're going to select Data and Privacy. Once you have selected Data and Privacy, you're going to scroll down until you see the option Delete Google account. So you'll scroll down and you'll see the option Delete your Google account, delete your entire account and data. You're going to tap on that. And once you have selected that, you will need to sign in again. And once you sign in again, you'll be led to this page on which you'll read the information that they have right here. It's taking a sec for me to sign in. You can see, please read this carefully. It's not the usual yada yada. And you'll simply read this information. And as you can see, you can download your data. And you'll simply scroll down and you will see all of the emails, the amount of emails that you have, and if you have a YouTube channel associated with it, it will also be deleted. Then you would simply tick these two boxes and tap on Delete Account, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.